Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you with something a little different. I wanted to share with you guys wanted to vlog a little bit of my anniversary trip. So the one thing that I wanted to do was show you the hotel room that we got, because prior to coming, I was looking all over YouTube to see what this room looked like, and there weren't very many videos at all. So I thought when I got here, I wanted to make a video to be able to show this room. And you all, I am not disappointed. It is absolutely phenomenal. So what I'm going to do, and pardon me, we have been on a long trip for over 3 hours. It's 12:30 at night, but I wanted to show you, I had to share this room with you guys. So what I'm going to do is step back outside the door, and I'm going to show you the whole room from when you first walk in. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so when you first arrive, this is the hallway. Come all the way down the hall, and we actually have a corner room. So this is my room here. And when you first come in, you all, so you first come in, this is your view. Okay, we'll get to all of that. But when you first come in the front door and you look to your right, there's another door. When you open this up, look at this. It is a half bath. Complete with sink and everything. And it is just, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. The tile floor, very nice. Okay. So, close that up. This is the front door, and this is the half bath. So we're going to now walk down the hall, and we're going to, let me show you this door to the left. I believe this is an adjoining room door, to where there's another room over there that you can, have 2 rooms together if you need to. And then when you come down the hall to your left, again, front door, coming down the hall, and to my right, not my left, my right. Gonna walk in here. This is the master bedroom. But first, let's take a look in here. This, you all, is the bathroom. It's got double sinks, marble, absolutely gorgeous, nice lighting, nice big mirrors. Just the decor is awesome. They got Shanghai Tang products for shower gel and things. This, you all, y'all know I'm gonna get some good use out of this. Guess I gotta plug it in. But I will be sitting here doing my makeup in the morning. Very nice. Gonna take you over to the left. And here you have your nice Conrad robe that you can borrow. But if you decide to take it home, I'm sure it's gonna cost you. And then they kind of have a little sitting stool here. But take a look at this bathtub. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how deep it is. That's crazy. And got a nice little spray faucet, thingy-dingy, whatever you call that. But look at this tub. Absolutely beautiful. You got a full-length mirror here, right next to the tub. And very nice toilet. I mean, I'm just so shook. Look at the flooring, the tile. So beautiful. Everything looks brand new until it's crazy. This is a newer hotel. I think it opened last year. Got remodeled and opened last year. But my gosh, it's just beautiful. It looks like no one's ever stayed in here. Going to go into the bedroom, but first we're going to stop. To my left here is a closet. And let's open that up. And as soon as you open the doors, the light automatically comes on. Got another robe in here, hangers. You have things to send your laundry out if you want to get your laundry done. You have the little stand to put your luggage on. Let's see. Oh, you have an iron up here. See that? Full iron. There's an ironing board back here. And there's this little bucket has like slippers and shoe polish and a brush to polish your shoes. You have extra pillows and linen here. So that's the hall closet. And then directly across from it, we have a full-length mirror that goes from almost ceiling to ground. Absolutely beautiful. You have carpet on the floor in the bedroom and tile on the floor everywhere else. The decor in here is absolutely beautiful. This is just some decor that they put over like the vents and things. Looks really pretty to kind of cover that up. Nice tall lamp. Okay guys, you got some nice dresser drawers here. Let me open these up for you. This is all leather on the outside. This is wood. They're nice deep drawers. Absolutely wonderful. Sit on the bed and there's a full big screen TV. I believe this one is like 54 inches. I believe is what I read. Nice. Okay, then you turn around. I got a suite with a king size bed. Didn't need any doubles this time because we left the kids at home. So we got just one nice big king size bed. You have nightstands on either side. This one's really nice. It's got a nice large Nautica clock there. Got plenty of USB ports and plug-ins. And this one over here, this nightstand has a phone, and again, plenty USB ports and plug-ins. This bed, oh, absolutely soft and nice. Look at that. This is all leather, the headboard, surrounded by wood. The bed is so soft, and the linen is very nice and thick and just great quality. But the bed itself, it's kind of like a soft firm, if that makes any sense. But it's just, oh man, you just sink right into it. All right, guys. So the curtains, and here comes the best part about this bedroom. You have, this room is the one bedroom residence, and it has a full wraparound balcony. A full wraparound balcony. Yes, I said a full wraparound balcony. So here is the balcony from the bedroom. And I got the room that is the Intracoastal ocean view. So let me just show you this. This balcony is kind of small from the bedroom, but it's, you know, it's got a lot of space, but it's not very wide, is what I'm trying to say. But you step out on it and look at this view. Get the full city view of Fort Lauderdale. How beautiful is that? And then if I turn the camera over here, you can't see out there because it's dark, but that's all ocean out there. And I'll show you guys that in the morning. But I don't know if you guys can see the waves hitting out there, like right in front of this hotel. But that is all that black out there is ocean. So we have a phenomenal view. So this is the sliding glass door, full glass, ceiling to floor from the bedroom. And oh my gosh, the breeze is just awesome. Okay, so again, here's the bed. Now, if I'm looking straight ahead from the bed, here is another door that has a shade that goes up and down. But this is another door to another part of the balcony, guys. So let's step out here. And again, it's full glass. And it just opens very nicely. And when you step out to this part of the balcony, there's a table with 6 chairs that would be awesome for like playing spades or bid whiz if you were entertaining guests or just here with your family. The actual balcony I'm going to show you guys is like, this is all hardwood. Look at that. Just stunning. And I'm going to walk on over on the other side of the table. And again, if I'm looking out this way, all ocean out there. And if I look this way, the Fort Lauderdale city lights, city view. I am on the 18th floor of the hotel. So it's really nice being this high up because you can see everything. But I will show you guys the ocean view again in the morning. So we're going to continue on with this just crazy balcony. This balcony has me shook. So over here now, okay, there's the table, door to the bedroom. And then this is a sitting area that has a table, chairs. Again, you can step over here, see the city view, see the ocean. You can step back behind. I'm back behind the furniture here now. And this is a full city view. And right over there is the other part of my balcony that I get to from another door in the living room. So there's actually, you all, 5 doors in this suite that allows you to step out onto any part of a balcony, the wraparound balcony. So it's just crazy. All right, I'm going to take you back inside. We're going to go in through the living room. Here's my husband. He's knocked out. Well, he's ready to go is what he is. But I just had to show you guys this really fast. Okay, so you come in here to the living room. And there's the other balcony door. So that's door number 1, 2, 3, 4. That's door number 5. So you have a door there. You have a door here to the balcony. And you have a door down here from the kitchen to the balcony. So 3 doors just in this area, and then 2 doors in the bedroom. So here's the furniture. It's very nice. Take this. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you have a coffee table there. And there's the chairs, coffee table. You got a full-length lamp with my husband laying on the couch. And you all, this is like full-length glass mirror. Full length, look at that. All the way across that back wall. This couch is not material, it's all leather. And look how nice it is. It looks brand new, like no one's ever sat on it. This is a nice coffee table and lamp. So then, if I face this way, you all, this is the kitchen. And I'm going to go through this pretty quick because my husband ready to go. But it has a full, like it has a bar with 2 bar stools or chairs. This is champagne that we got from my cousin Sonia. Thank you, cousin. She surprised us with that. They surprised us on the airplane with it. And all of the passengers cheered for us and wished us happy anniversary. So that was really a special occasion. I just really loved it. I appreciate it. And it just made memories I'll never forget. When you, again, this is the front door. When I walked down the hall and came into the kitchen, here's the first thing I saw. They left me a letter, which they also gave me a letter at the front desk. I have not opened either one, so I will open them and find out what they're all about. And also this beautiful decorated little plate of chocolates and nuts that says "Stay Inspired." Isn't that nice? So we're going to go into the kitchen. On the countertop from the bar, see there's the 2 bar stools. You have a full range here to cook meals on. It's electric range. Very nice cabinetry in here, you all. It's just beautiful. The kitchen is fully stocked. So you have some pictures there, some paper towels. You have dinnerware to eat off of. Nice big huge drawers. This is one that you could store things in, like if you're going to be here for an extended stay and cooking. Here's your toaster and a orange juice pitcher. Let's go back over here. You have more cabinetry with your cups and things for whatever you need to drink. Nice and beautiful. You have down here a little section that has nuts, and it says Conrad on it. And there's just different kinds: jumbo cashews, chocolate chip cookies, caramel popcorn, cheese crisp, berry healthy mix, and barbecue almonds. You also have some gummy bears, some more chocolates, and M&Ms there. And you have a bottle of dry gin and just some other alcohol. Bacardi, you have Ciroc vodka back here, and Semi-Alexandra Valley Cabernet. So, and then there's a price list here if you want to indulge in any of this stuff. That's kind of nice. They let you know how much it is before you start sucking it down. So that's real nice. Let's see, the Ciroc is $35, the Bacardi is $32, the Johnny Walker Black is $39. Yeah, so help yourself, but you will be paying. Here's a nice little ice bucket. Here's the scene, guys. Before that, look at this back towel. Look at that. Lord Jesus. Okay, so nice faucet. Nice deep sink. And check this out. Nice sprayer. Get that sink good and clean. Clean your dishes. Clean the meat off. Whatever. Just phenomenal. This place is crazy. Wait, how you turn it off? Yeah, oh, it goes back and forth like this. I was trying to turn it like that, but it actually goes back and forth. Okay. Lordy. So you have a nice microwave here. More cabinetry up top. Store food in if you're staying an extended stay. You have a coffee, what's it called? A Keurig, I don't know how to say that, but a coffee machine here. You have your different coffees and espressos, creamers, sugars, all of that good stuff. You got some water here. You have, check this out, guys. This got me shook. Look at this, full dishwasher. Full dishwasher. You don't even have to hand wash no dishes. Just throw them in here. And look how nice it is. I mean, it's so nice and clean. It looks brand new. I mean, I just feel like I'm the first person staying in this room, and I know I'm not. Now, check this out. Here's your refrigerator. Right. Gorgeous. Let's open it up. Nice, big, industrial refrigerator. Look at that. You got some Evian water in here. I don't know what this is. Badoit. I'm not that fancy. Over here on the door, you have Coca-Cola products. You have juices, Red Bull. Look at this, you all. Bottle of Moet. And I did see on that price list that I just showed you all, the bottle of Moet was $60 if you want that. Here's some Chardonnay. What is this one? Whispering Angel. Something, I don't even know how to say that. Stella Artois beer. Here is some club soda. Here is some ginger ale and tonic water. So yeah, that's really nice. But you will pay for it if you decide to drink it. Here's your freezer portion. It just pulls right out. Nice. It's nice and cold. Fully functional. So yeah, guys, this is the kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. And on the side of the refrigerator here is another door, like I said, to walk out to a full, from ceiling to floor, glass door to walk out onto the balcony. So that is pretty much it. This room is absolutely phenomenal. Let me just show you the ceiling. Look at the detail. This is the kitchen, and then over here into the dining room area. So this room is absolutely stunning. Sorry about the way I look, guys. I look a little ratchet, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go hang out with my husband, take care of him, do whatever it is he wants to do, and we're going to enjoy our anniversary. So I will tune back in the morning and let you guys see how things look in the daylight. All right, guys, this is Weezy, Sexy Grandma 2K, and I will see you in the morning. Hey, guys, it's Weezy, and I'm back. It's the next morning, and as you can tell, I'm looking a little like yesterday, and that's because my husband and I stayed out all night. We went to the Hard Rock Casino, and we had an absolutely wonderful time. We ate there, and it's a beautiful casino. I'll insert some footage here so that you guys can see a little bit of what I saw. chilling on the balcony, taking in a nice breeze, and I wanted to come back and show you guys what things were looking like during the day, what the view looks like. So I'm, as you can tell, sitting out here on the furniture. That's the view behind me of Fort Lauderdale. And I'll get up and show you some more of that in just a minute here. But I'm going to flip the screen and show you something really special. So this is my view from where I sit on the balcony. Oh, look at the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get up and just kind of show you around during the daytime. This is the back portion of my balcony. And as you can see, you got Fort Lauderdale all out there. You see all the big tall buildings and the Intracoastal way. And just city life as far as you can see. This is the other portion of my balcony from the back door in the living room. And I'm just going to turn around here and let you see the full length of the balcony. Here's the little sitting area I showed you last night, as well as the dining table back there if you wanted to entertain outside. Over here you have the door to the living room is there. And over here is the door to the kitchen. And that's the door to the bedroom. And again, guys, this is what I really like, the tiling out here. Just very nice. So this is my view of the ocean. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. It's absolutely beautiful. It is a little chilly here today, guys, so I don't know that I'm going to be able to get my swimming suit on and get in the ocean today. It's supposed to get up to 75 degrees, but right now it's 66, and it's got a cool little breeze going. So I'm not complaining at all because when I left the Midwest, it was 19 degrees. So I will take 66 degrees any old time over 19. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what things are looking like during the day. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. So guys, like I said yesterday, we are on the 18th floor. This is a 1-bedroom resident suite. And it is the Intracoastal and Ocean View, which gives you, like I said before, the best of both worlds. I am going to show you guys around a little bit more of the hotel later. I'm going to go take this face off, take a shower, and lay down for a few hours. My husband fell out on the couch because he's a lightweight and he can't hang all night long. But after I take get a little bit of shut eye and get up, I'll take you through the hotel and let you see what things are looking like downstairs. All right, guys, I hope you have a very blessed day, and I'll see you in a few hours. Oh, and let me just say that there is supposed to be construction going on at the hotel next door, which is on the east side of this hotel, and I'm on the north side. And I can't hear anything from the construction or see anything from the construction from this side of the hotel. So if you're planning to stay here, I don't know how long the construction's going to go on, but you might want to be on the north side. All right, guys, see you in a few hours.